You may have noticed that some news demands your attention while other stories just kind of blend into the background. The ones that stand out are the ones with well-crafted headlines. Using tools like Google Trends can help you craft a headline that ensures your press release attracts your target audiences. Google Trends is a free data analysis tool that lets users instantly understand the popularity of words and phrases over time and across different regions. When writing your press release headline, Google Trends allows you to see what topics and keywords are currently popular and trending with searchers. Simply enter the term or phrase, select a geographic region and time frame, and immediately see which has the highest search volume. This helps you identify impactful keywords, craft relevant headlines with enhanced visibility, and use analytics reports to compare the performance of your headlines. To learn more about what makes a good versus a bad headline or more tips on using Google Trends, check out the full blog post linked in the description or visit notified.com. Thank you.